A very good morning, students. Today I am starting exercise 1.4, question number first. So the question is evaluate each of the following. So the first question is minus 30 divided by 10. So here are two methods of solving that type of question. So let's see the first method. So minus 30 divided by 10. So we have to write in the divided form minus 30 divided by 10. So 0 to 0 cancel and the answer is minus 3 upon 1, that means minus 3. So we have to solve whole number and after that put this sign. Which sign are here? Here are minus sign. So the answer is minus 3. And that is the second method of solving this question. So minus 30 as it is and upon 10. So we have to convert in the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 10 upon 1? So when the sign of divided, we have to put multiply sign and 1 upon 10. So this minus 30 multiply by 1 and upon 10. After that in the 10 table 30 come 3 times. So we have to divide and after that minus 3 into 1. So the answer is minus 3. That is the second method we have to solve by the reciprocal. So we have to use divided method. Okay. Second 50 divided by minus 5. So we have to divide the whole numbers. In the 5 table 50 come 10 times. So the answer is 10 and which sign are here? So minus. So the answer is minus 10. So minus 36 divided by minus 9 and here are two sign of minus. So minus to minus is cancel and in the 9 table 36 come 4 times. So 9 4s are 36. So 4 is the answer. And in the 49 table 49 come 1 time, 49 ones are 49. So the answer is 1 and here are 1 sign of minus. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. E. So firstly we have to solve this bracket 13 divided by minus, open this bracket, so minus 2 plus 1. So we get 13 and when we subtract minus 2 plus 1, that means minus 1. When we divide 13 by minus 1, so what is our answer? So our answer is minus 13. Okay. When we divided 1 by 13, so answer is 13 and here are 1 sign of minus. That's why answer is minus 13. Now the question number 8, 0 divided by 12. So when we divide any number, 0 divided by any number, so answer we get a 0. So the answer is 0. Now next question, minus 31 divided by, in the bracket minus 30 plus in the bracket minus 1. So this minus 31 as it is, because firstly we have to solve the bracket according to BODMAS rule. So this bracket minus 30 as it is, plus minus is minus 1. Okay. And this minus 31 again as it is, divided by minus and minus is plus. So here are minus 31. We have to add this number but put the sign of minus. So minus 31 divided by minus 31. We have to write in the divided form minus 31. So we have to cut this minus to minus and 31 ones are 31. So the answer we get a 1. So 1 is the answer of that question. Next question is h minus 36 divided by 12 and in the outer side divided by 3. So firstly we have to solve this bracket, this minus 36 divided by 12 and in the outer side divided by 3. So in the 12 table 36 come 3 times. So that is the minus 3 answer and after that 3. So when we divide minus 3 upon 3, so we have to whole number divide. So 3 ones are 3 and which sign are here? Minus. So the answer is minus 1. Next is I minus 6 in the bracket plus 5 and divided by minus 2 plus 1. So firstly we have to solve the bracket minus 6 as it is and open this bracket plus 5 and divided by, now open this bracket minus 2 plus 1. After that minus 6 plus 5. So when here are two signs, plus and minus is minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1 and we have to put here minus sign because according to greatest digit we have to put the sign. This divide minus 2 plus 1 again minus 1, and when we divide minus 1 upon minus 1, so minus to minus cancel and 1 ones are 1. So the 1 is correct answer. Now the next question is question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to. This sign is equal and this sign is not equal. Okay. A divided by B plus A divided by C. For each of the following values of A, B and C. So here are given the value of A equal 12, B equal minus 4 and C equal 12. So we have to verify this answer is not equal. Okay, so let's see the solution. So in this question here are given two sides. That one is first and that one is second. This first side we called the LHS, that means left hand side, and this side we called RHS, that means right hand side. Okay. So firstly we will consider LHS side. Okay. So putting the given value in LHS, that means A divided by B plus C. In this side we have to put this value. So what is the value of A? 12, B minus 4 plus 2. Now solve that side. 12 as it is divided by minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. And when we divide it by 12 upon minus 2, in the 2 table 12 comes 6 times. So the answer is we get a minus 6. Okay, so LHS answer is minus 6. Now we take RHS, that means this side. Okay. So putting the value in the RHS, 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. Now 12 as it is, this minus 4 in the divided form, and after that bracket again 12 divided by 2. We have to solve according to us. Here a reciprocal method, we can also use this method, and this one is also. So in the 4 table 12 come 3 times. So here are minus 3 and 12 2s are 6, so 6. So minus 3 plus 6, what we can get? 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer of RHS is 3. So we get LHS answer is minus 6, and when we put the value in the RHS answer we get 3. So both are not equal. That's why answer is LHS is not equal to RHS, hence verified. This is the sign of not equal. Now question number B. Given A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B, A divided by C. So here are given some value. Firstly we take LHS and we have to put the value in this. A divided by B plus C. We have to put this value in this. So what is the value of A? The value of A is minus 10. And the value of B is 1 and the C is also 1. Now minus 10 as it is, and this 1 plus 1 is 2. And when we divide minus 10 upon 2, so answer we get 2 5s are 10. So we get answer is minus 5. So here are minus 5. Now we have to solve, put the value in the RHS. So this minus 10 divided by 1, and after that this plus minus 10 divided by 1. So what answer we get when we divided by minus 10 in 1? So answer we get a minus 10, and this also minus 10. So what is the minus 10 and minus 10? So minus 10 and minus 10 is minus 20. So the answer of LHS is minus 5 and the answer of RHS is minus 20. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now the next question, question number 3, fill in the blanks. 369 divided by is equal to 369. So we know very well, when we get any number divided by 1, we get same answer. In that condition, we have to get same answer when we divided any number by 1. So answer is 1. Okay. So here answer is minus 1. So when we get minus 1, when we divide it by same number, we get a answer 1. So when here are 75, so when we get minus 75 upon 75, so we get a minus 1. That's why here are minus 1. So answer is 75. So here are minus 206 divided by answer we get a 1. So when both number are same, that means here are also minus 206. That time answer we get a 1. So answer is minus 206. So here are minus 87 and here are also 87. The sign are changed. So when the sign of here, when we divided by minus 1, so we get the answer of 87 because minus 87, and when we divided by minus 1, so minus to minus is cancel and the answer is 87. So divided by 1 is answer is 87. When we get same answer, when here are minus 87, when we divide it minus 87 by 1, so answer is minus 87. Okay, same answer. Now here are divided by 48 divided by minus 1. So when we get this minus 1, so when the same value are here, we get a 1, but here are when minus 48. So answer we get a minus 1. Now next, 20 divided by which number we get a minus 2. So when 20 divided by 10, okay, and here are 20, and when we divide it by 10, so 10 to the 20, we get answer 2. When the number is minus 10, that time we get a minus 2. That means answer is minus 10. Okay. Now we also find 20 divided by this minus 2. So that answer we get minus 10. So this is also answer of required answer. And here are divided by 4 minus 3. So when we multiply that number, 4 3 is 12. So here are minus 12. That time we get answer is minus 3. This is the second method of solving that type of question. We have to multiply that number, we get answer 48 minus 1. When we multiply 48 minus 1, so minus 48. Okay, and here are when we divided by this number, so minus 1, like that. Okay students, so these are the answer of that question. Now the next question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 comma minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 is answer, we get a minus 3. So let's see the solution. So in this question we need 5 pairs. When we divide two numbers, so answer we get a minus 3. So these answer we have to write according to us. So first are given example here, 6 divided by minus 2 is answer minus 3. So let's see another answer. First one is given. So second one is when divided 9 divided by minus 3, we get a minus 3. Because when we divide 9 by minus 3, 3 3 is a 9. So we get answer minus 3. Now after 3, we have to divide it by 4. So 12 divided by minus 4, we get a minus 3. Now next, minus 9 when we divide it by 3, we get answer minus 3. 15 when we divide minus 15 divided by 5, so we get answer minus 3. Okay. Okay student, it is not compulsory you have to write that answer. You have to write according to you. Like when we divide minus 18 divided by 6, so what answer we get? 18, 6 3 is 18. We get also answer minus 3. So you have to write according to you. Now another, when we divide minus 21 divided by 7, so you get answer 7 3 is 21 minus 3. So you have to write answer of that question according to us.